Hi everyone, I hope everyone is doing well at the places and loving whatever you are doing. So, today, like ever, I actually felt the need of recording something and then posting because I've got a lot to say, but I just don't know how to proceed, how to frame everything and then, put here. A lot of things has been happening. Okay, I finally gave my first mock test, and as you know, they are just part test, and we are having very few chapters in our syllabus. So, starting with how my test went, of course, uh, it was okay. Physics was very simple, but I did weird mistakes, not silly mistakes, but I felt like I had no, focus thing, not so. I had no retention power, I guess. I was not so focused. I couldn't really sit and do physics for like one or whatever half for that particular time. You getting my problem. This is really stupid. Yeah. I felt bored of, doing questions from physics. I don't know if that makes sense. Anyways, in chemistry, out of my expectation, I did really, really weird. I did, I scored really less according to what I expected, because chemical bonding and periodic table, I used to love these chapters, and these were the chapters in our syllabus for the first mock test, right? So I really messed it up. So yeah, that is that about. And maths, I do not consider maths in my paper. It went okay, right? Accuracy in physics and maths as well, it was really good. I feel like it was nice, yeah. But in chemistry, I messed up for sure, like, yeah. And now about the second mock test that I'm going to give. Syllabus is even more low. Like, we are having one chapter, right? Quadratic equations and log in maths, right? And what else? Ray optics in physics. In chemistry, we are having GOC and IUPAC. Simple, right? Seems so easy. Yeah, we can do it. But I am so messed up right now that I had to record it. I have so many things to say, but I don't know how to say that. I can't do ray optics. That's not my field. I feel like I really can't do that. As far as I remember, I have watched every lecture on YouTube. I have watched every teacher, but I don't think that any teacher can explain me this chapter. And then I switched to DC Pandey also. I switched to NCRT also, but I cannot get this chapter. I cannot get this chapter in my mind, and sucks. I don't know. I don't know what to do. Then I started with quadratic. After, when I was so mentally stressed about this chapter physics, I mean, this subject physics, I started with quadratic equations because this was something which I did last year and then never revised again. So I did that. I watched one lecture and I still have to practice questions for that. And right now I can't do anything. That is why I decided to record and just say whatever I want to, and still I cannot say what I want to. A lot of things has been happening. People are moving out back to their places, basically back to their hometowns. Now, this thing what I just said doesn't make sense. Doesn't make sense to the topic. All in all, what I am right now trying to do is just to get my focus back and complete the chapters. I am ready to devote myself, but I am not getting the chapter in my mind. What is my fault? I am just so messed up right now. I don't know what to do. That is that about the update thing.